Okay, on to 13.4 notes. One of my favorites, you're going to see me try to put some videos in here, because usually when you're in class, I try to get you to sing, and I don't want to sing. And we're going to sing the quadratic formula. It is sometimes sung to Pop Goes the Weasel, sometimes sung to Jingle Bells, and all kinds of other things. So if you search quadratic formula songs on the internet, you will come up with a ton. I'm going to try to insert two. One's kind of long, but it gives you a lot of information. The other one is a tribute to the seniors, because when I first found this video, the senior class, the class is now seniors, when they were freshmen, for some reason thought this was hilarious. So I'm going to try to insert it. So we'll see how it goes. But quadratic formula. So if you can't figure out how to factor something, or it's not factorable, or completing the square is not what you want to do. Some people like completing the square, some people don't. Completing the square is really hard if it has a number in front, like if there's an a value here, or if it's an odd number here. So there's something called the quadratic formula, and the quadratic formula can be used for any quadratic, and quadratic means x squared, so anyone. So this is what you need to do to the quadratic formula. You need to get everything to one side of the equation, and make sure it's equal to 0. Make sure that you have the a term positive, so whatever number in front of here is positive. And you have to identify a, b, and c and solve. And there is something called discriminant. So here is the quadratic formula. Again, I'm going to put a video in right now so you guys can watch it, and then we'll go back to the notes. But quadratic formula looks like this. And it is a long formula, and it basically gives you two answers, plus or minus, and you probably saw some of our answers look something like this. And this inside here is called a discriminant. And discriminant means that you can figure out something by just knowing that piece. And if this is positive, then you have two real solutions. They could be radical or non-radicals. We'll talk about that. If this is 0, then you have one solution, because you can't plus or minus 0. If it is negative, you have two imaginary solutions. So that will be something with an I in it. Okay? And so we're going to be identifying a, b, and c. So in this one, a is 1, b is -4, and c is -21. And so now I'm going to try to stop this video, insert a video showing you a couple quadratic formula things, and then go on to show you the notes.